guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little different than what I normally do, but the OG subscribers have spoken. You guys have been asking me for months and months and months, please bring back a cleaning video, a cleaning series. So today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video because my living room is a mess today. We had a family Thanksgiving and I just need to really get down and do some cleaning. So I'm just gonna be working on the living room today so I can make sure that everything is nice and clean in here. We did just redo our floors. So we have moldings that are sitting around the living room, but they are not finished yet. They are not nailed down. And I still have some painting and things like that to do. So please keep that in mind. If you see stuff and you're like, girl, it's a mess. It's really a hot mess. I know that, okay? My husband can only do so much because he works 50, 60 hours a week and then runs calls and does all of the things. So if you want to see me clean my living room, you want some cleaning inspiration or just be nosy and watch me clean my living room, here we go. Let's clean the dang living room. I always start from the top and work my way down to the bottom because I live on a gravel road and everything is always dusty, and we do have pets indoors, so everything that's on top, when I wipe it down, it's going to fall down to the floor, and that's why I start at the top and then I do the floors the very, very last. I did a decorate with me video already, so if you have any questions about where anything came from, you can head over to that video, and I decorated and told where everything was from at that time, except for my books here. My mom just got me these books, and I'm going to go get some stickers to put on them for words instead of painting them, because I want to be able to switch it out for different seasons, or even if it's not a season and I want to put the kids' names on them or something. So I think I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and try to find some stickers that would look right on here, and we'll see how it goes. If y'all are curious about what I'm using, this is a Pledge spray that you can use on glass or wood or any surfaces like that. And I just think I picked it up either at Walmart or like the dollar store or something. So you can get it anywhere, and it does work really good on glass as well as wood. And I'm just setting everything on the fireplace right now because, like I said, I'm going to come back to the floors, and that way they're not in the floor and they're not in the way. I don't have to worry about moving them. So now I'm going to move over to my side table, which again was so super dusty. I know y'all can't see it, but oh my gosh, the dust, y'all. If y'all have any other video ideas or video requests for me, please just let me know. A whole lot of you, and I'm not like just saying that, seriously, a whole lot of you have been saying, please bring back the cleaning videos, and we kind of miss like the old school videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, please let me know so that I will know to continue to do these kind of home. We're doing a lot of home improvements right now. So we just did the floor. I'm going to be doing some more painting. Got a new rug, you know, all of that kind of stuff. So I hope to be moving on to the kitchen next with some painting and some things like that. So if you want to stick around for some like home improvement type of things, I will be doing more of that here as well. So you guys just let me know in the comments what kind of videos you like to see from me. Like I had said in the beginning of the video, or if you know me, you already know that we do have 2 inside dogs, and they like to sit right here in the windowsill and look out the window to watch squirrels or whatever is going by. So it gets super dirty right there because they put their little muddy feet. So I have to wash the windowsill all the time. I just dusted this not very long ago at all when I was putting up everything on the shelf. So that's why I'm just doing a really quick sweep over this one. Now, dusting and washing this mirror is always a task because I cannot reach it and I'm balancing on the back of the couch right now. So, love that for me. Vacuuming the furniture is something I do every single time I vacuum the floor, which is usually every day, sometimes every other day. But I always vacuum the furniture because, like I said, pets. So I'm using my little Shark Rocket, and this is like a whole vacuum. I just have the middle piece taken out because it's easier to vacuum the furniture with it when it's little short like this. But it does have the middle piece, and you'll see that once I get to vacuuming the floor. But I love this vacuum. I got it from Walmart. I feel like it was like $120, $140 maybe, but it's been a really good vacuum. I've had other Sharks. I'm just a Shark girl. This one does have a cord, so it's not cordless, but I really like it because I don't have to charge it, and I do a lot of vacuuming. Also, another thing to do is to throw your little throw pillows into the washing machine and wash them because they get nasty too, and they get dusty, and they get full of, all of the things. So you can toss those right in your washing machine and wash them. I wanted to tell you guys, this little tree pillow I actually got this from Amazon. It's actually a pillow cover. So you can get this on Amazon. I got it for either $6 or $7. I'll have it linked down below in my description where it says my Amazon home favorites. So I will have it linked there for you guys to find. But that is another really inexpensive trick that I use all of the time. You do not have to go out and buy new seasonal pillows all the time. Pillows are way expensive. You can buy pillow covers. These have zippers on them that go like on the inside where you can't even see them. So just use the pillows you already have and get some covers for them. I'll link it down below. Don't forget to check it out if you want to get yourself either this one, or they have like tons. You can search anything on Amazon. Also, I just got this new rug, and I got it from Lowe's Home Improvement. So if you guys are looking for rugs, Lowe's has some really good ones. I just got this one on sale. It was only $129, and I think it is a 5 by 9, if I'm not mistaken. And y'all see there's so many different ways to use this vacuum. Like right now I have the head off of it, and so I can get like down in the cracks. I clean my baseboards this way, and my window sills when they have dust in them and stuff like that, the back of the couches. So I just really, really love this vacuum. Also, I know I'll get questions about the new flooring. We actually got this from Home Depot. This is called the Sterling Oak Life Proof Vinyl Flooring, and we just done this ourselves. And so we still have to finish up like the moldings and in between the kitchen and the living room, but I really love this color. I think it's gorgeous in this room, and it was much less expensive than the ones at Lowe's, which are basically the same thing. So if you're looking to get new flooring, I would check Home Depot. And that will be it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. Like I said, please let me know if you do and what other kind of videos you guys would like to see so that I can do those for you. And I will have some more Christmas decor videos coming soon, so don't forget to check out my Christmas playlist. I will have that link down below as well. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.